students, I hope that you are good, well and fine. Today we will be seeing NCERT exercise 4.5. So far we have discussed enough theory to discuss this or to solve this exercise 4.3. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. So first question, we have to examine consistency of the system. So let me remind you consistency. If you have a solution, so first of all, consistency means consistent or inconsistent system. Consistent or inconsistent system. Okay, in this we have solution exists. So solution exists. If solution exists, then consistent. If solution does not exist, then not consistent. Okay, no solutions. Clear? Then how we are going to find that solution exists or not? We have that if a determinant is non-zero, then it is consistent, means solution exists, and unique solution. Okay, if determinant of a is 0, then we have two cases. Okay, then we have two cases. So if determinant of a is 0, then find adjoint of a multiply with b. If this is non-zero, then no solution. Okay, if it is 0, then it depends. It might be consistent or not, depends on the case, depends on the system. If adjoint of a multiply with p is non-zero, then it is inconsistent. So these will be the steps in order to find these some questions. So here, first of all, A matrix will be 1, 2, 2, 3. So determinant of A will be, as you can see, 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, which is non-zero. So consistent. Consistent. Clear? Okay. Let us move to the next. Here A matrix will be 2 minus 1, 1, 1. Now determinant of A will be 2 minus 1. It will be 3. So this is non-zero. Okay, means consistent, again consistent. Okay, now this will be what? As you can see, A matrix will be 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 3, 2, 6, and the determinant will be, determinant of A will be 6 minus 6. This means 0. So this means 0. So it is inconsistent. Okay, it is inconsistent. Okay, clear? Okay, why I am saying it is inconsistent? Because whenever we have determinant A as 0, then we have cases. Okay, so by looking the system, so first of all, see the x plus 3y is equals to, you are having A, then take 2 common in the second equation, you will have x plus 3y is equals to 8. This means what? If you multiply first equation by 2, you can see that this must be 10. So x plus 3y multiply 2 will give you 10, and x plus 3y multiply with 2 will give you 8. This cannot possible. This cannot possible at the same time. So that's why I am saying inconsistent system. Inconsistent system. Okay, clear? It might happen that determinant is 0. So suppose 3x y is equals to 1 and 2x plus 6y is equals to 2. This means what? If you find the determinant, first of all, A matrix will be 1, 3, 2, 6. Yes, and the determinant from this will be 6 minus 6 means 0. But here you will have infinitely many solutions. Why? As you can see, take 2 common from this equation, you will find that this and this is same as just divide by 2. You will get the first equation back. Yes, so you can see that you are having infinitely many solutions. So whenever determinant of A is 0, it's depend on the what your system. It depends on the system. Okay, so this is inconsistent. Or if you try to solve the adjoint of A multiply with B, so B is just nothing but 5, 8. Adjoint of A is just nothing but what? 6, 1 minus 3 minus 2. That's it. Okay, and then multiply it. What you will have? You will have 30 minus 24 and minus 10 plus 8. This is not a zero matrix. Okay, when you have not zero, this means adjoint of A multiply B is non-zero. This means this guarantees inconsistent solution. Is inconsistent solution. If it is zero, then we do not have anything conclusive. Okay, but in this case we have. Clear? Let's move to the fourth problem now. This, so A matrix will be 1 1 1 2 3 2 A 2 A. This thing A 2 A. Okay, now what? Clear? Now what? Now find the determinant. Determinant will be quite easy. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now 6A minus 2A for this, 4A minus 2A, 4A minus 2A, and for this 2A minus 3A, 2A minus 3A. It will be what? 4A. This will be what? Plus 2A, and it will become minus 2A. And this will be what? Just A. As you can see, it will be 4. It will be what? Sorry, it will be 3A. Yes, 3A, and it is non-zero. When A is non-zero, we are assuming A is non-zero. Okay, we are assuming A is non-zero. Okay, so in this case A is non-zero, then it is non-zero. This means consistent system. This means consistent system. Consistent. Okay, this means consistent system. Why I am assuming A is non-zero? If A becomes 0, if A is 0, then this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, and 0 not equals to 4. That's why I am taking A is non-zero. Okay, that's why A is non-zero. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, now let us move to the next slide. Now fifth. So A matrix will be 3 minus 1 minus 2. 3 minus 1 minus 2. Now we do not have x value here. This means x is written in this way or hidden in this form. 0 multiply x. So this means the coefficient of x will be 0. Now 2 minus 1. 3 minus 5. Now z is hidden here. So z is 0 multiply with z. So 0. Okay. Now first of all find the determinant. So determinant will be, let me find the determinant. So determinant of A, I'll be expanding using the first first column. Okay, so this means plus 3 minus 0 plus 3. Yes, plus minus plus. This will be totally vanished. So this means eliminate this column and this row. You will have minus 5. Eliminate this column and this row. You will have 1 minus 4. Okay, this will be what? As you can see, 15 minus 15 plus 15 means 0. Now it's totally depend on the adjoint. We have to find the adjoint. Adjoint of A multiply with B. B is what? B is just nothing but 2 minus 1 3. And adjoint of A. Adjoint of A. I have to evaluate adjoint of A. Okay, let me evaluate adjoint of A. So adjoint of A, I'll be directly evaluating. Okay, adjoint of A is just nothing but A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, A11 is just nothing but plus M11. Yes, plus minus M12 plus M13 minus M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. As you can see, plus minus plus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Alternate signs. You can observe that along with row or column, any row or any column. Now what? Now M11, as you can see, you have to eliminate this one and this one. You will have 0 minus 5. Okay, so minus 5. Now, so for this first row and second column, this means 0 minus minus 3 means 0 minus minus 3 means plus 3 means just plus 3. Okay, now third column, first row, third column, this will be minus 6, minus of 6. So far so good. Now second column, this will be eliminated. Second row and first column, this will be 0 minus of 10. So this means 0 minus 10. So it will be plus 10. So 10, just 10. Okay. Now 2, 2. This is 0 minus 6. 0. This will be 0 minus minus 6 means plus 6. Plus 6. Okay. Now minus 5. Sorry, minus 15 and minus of 3. Yes. This minus 15, 3 multiplying with minus 1, minus 3. Okay, so let me, so minus 15 minus, this will be minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. This will be plus 3. So now it will be what? Minus of 12. Minus 12 and minus we have already. This means 12. Okay, so far so good. Now what? Now M31. Now eliminate this. Okay. So third row, first column, minus 1 multiply with minus 1, 1, minus minus 4, it will be 5, 5. Okay. Now eliminate this. So minus 1, minus 3. So minus 3 means plus 3. Okay. Now eliminate this. You will have 6, 0. So it will be just 6, 6. You will have adjoined this, and adjoint multiplying with 2 minus 1, 3. You will have what? Let me see. So this going to multiply with this. If I am doing any error, please do correct it. So this will be minus 10 plus 10 plus 15. Yes, minus 10 plus 10. Sorry, minus 10 minus 10 plus 15. As you can see, minus of 5. Minus 5. So as you can see, this will be non-zero. Yes, this will be non-zero matrix. So this means this is inconsistent. Inconsistent. Why? You all know. Let me once again write it for you. Consistent and inconsistent. Okay, so consistent when determinant of A is non-zero. Inconsistent means if determinant of A is 0 and adjoint of A multiply with B matrix. B matrix means the right hand side matrix. If it is non-zero, means this matrix, if this is going to happen, then it is inconsistent. Okay, inconsistent means no solution. Okay, so that's why it is inconsistent. As you can see, non-zero. Okay, so let us move to the next question. So same thing we have to do. So A matrix will be 5 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 5 minus 2 and 6. It will be Y. Okay, clear? Okay. Now what? Now find the determinant. Determinant of A will be quite simple. Eliminate this. You will have first of all plus 5 minus of minus 1 and plus 4. It will be 1. Now, 6 this 18 minus 10, and this will become plus 10, and this will be 28. Simple. Now this is going to eliminate, so 12 and 25 minus 25, this will give you 13 minus 13. Yes, minus of 13 minus 13, as 12 13 will give you 25. Okay, so now this minus 4 minus 15, this means minus of 19, minus 19, and this means that 40, this will be what? This will be what? 30 minus 2 multiply with 5. Yes, and this will be what? 150 minus 10 means 140. 140 minus 13 minus, so 19 means 20 minus 1 multiply with 4, or in other words, 1 minus 20 will give you this thing. This will be 4 minus 80. 4 minus 80 means 76. So as you can see, this will be non-zero. This means consistent system. Consistent system. Okay, consistent system. I hope that you understood when we say consistent system, when we say inconsistent system. Okay, clear? Now let us move to the next. This we have to solve using matrix method. Okay, let us solve using matrix method. Now this means first of all, your matrix A, the coefficient matrix will be 2 5 2 7 3. Okay, now you all know X will be A inverse Y, A inverse B. B is just nothing, 4 by 5. A inverse will be 1 by determinant of A. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A will be just 3, 5, minus 2, minus 7. That's it. Determinant of A will be, let me just evaluate. So 15 minus 14, this will be 1. 15 minus 14, it will be just 1. So 1. This means A inverse is same as adjoint. Okay, so 3 minus 2 minus 7, 5. So here, from here, you can say x, y. This is same as multiply this. So 12 minus 10, this will be just 2. 12 minus 10 will be 2. And minus 28 plus 25 will give you minus of 3. So minus of 3. So your answer will be this. Okay, clear? Let us verify also. X is 2. Y is minus 3. So this will be 10 minus 6 means 4. Yes, you are getting 4. 7 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply minus 3. This means 14 minus 9 will give you 5. You are getting 5. Yes. So this means the solutions will be x is equals to 2, y is equals to minus 3. Clear? Y is equals to minus 3. Okay, I hope that it is clear. Let us move to the next problem. The problem number 8. The same approach. X, the solutions or xy will be what? A inverse. X will be A inverse B. B is what? Minus 2, 3. So first of all, A inverse. A inverse will be 1 upon adjoint of A. 1 upon adjoint of A. Sorry, 1 by determinant. A inverse will be 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A. Now, first of all, A matrix, let me find the A matrix. A matrix will be the coefficient matrix of the system. Now, coefficient will be what? So, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3, 4, 3, 4. Simple. Now, adjoint of A will be what? Just interchange these positions, 4, 2. Now, put minus signs to the remaining. So, plus 1, minus 3. Okay, clear? Okay, this is adjoint of A. Now, what about determinant? Determinant will be, as you can see, 8 minus minus 3. This will be what? 8 plus 3. So, this will be 8 plus 3 means 11. Means 11. Okay, means 11. So, determinant of A will be 11. So, it will be 11. Now adjoint, we already know the adjoint, so this will be 4 1 minus 3 2. So this means I'll do what, this will be same as this, so now I'll be evaluating this part only. So 4 1 minus 3 2. So after evaluation, it will be what, minus 8 plus 3, this will be minus of 5. Okay, now 6 plus 6 means 12, so it will be 12. Okay, it will be 12. So your answer will be x will be minus 5 by 11 and y will be 12 by 11. Let me verify them. So 2 multiply minus 5 by 11 minus y is 12 by 11. Now let's solve. So you will have in numerator minus 10 minus 12 means minus 22. Minus 22, this will give you minus of 2. You are getting minus 2. Yes, correct. Now 3x, now 3x plus 4 times of y. Okay, 4 times of y. This means what? Let us just evaluate. So 11 in denominator we will have 11, in numerator minus 15 plus 48. This will give you what, 33. This will give you 33 by 11. So you will have this thing as y 33, as you can see 848. Yes, so 33 by 11 will give you 3. So you are getting 3. So your answer or the solution will be what? Unique solution. You are having unique solution, and unique solution the x value will be minus 5 by 11 and y value will be 12 by 11. Okay, easy. Now solve this. Okay, let's solve us. So a will be 4 minus 3, 3 minus 5. Simple. X will be a inverse b. Okay, x will be a inverse b, which means what? Which means a inverse we don't know yet, but b we know. So 7, 3 and 7. From here, first of all, let me just evaluate determinant. So determinant will be minus 20 minus, okay, minus 20 minus of 9. This will be minus 20 plus 9 means minus of 11. Determinant will be minus of 11. Okay, minus 11. So this means A inverse will be 1 by determinant of A, which is minus 11, multiply with adjoint of A. Adjoint I can directly find, interchange these positions, minus 5 here, 4 here. Now put minus sign to the remaining entry, so it will be plus, it will be minus. Okay, so A inverse is this. Now I'll put the A inverse value here. So 1 by, and one more thing, this minus I am going to multiply inside, so this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be minus. Okay, so I am writing my A inverse in this form. So plus 5 minus 3, 3 and minus 4, this. Okay, by using associativity and scalar multiple property, I can rewrite it as what, 15 minus 21 and 9 minus 28. Yes, if I am doing the correct calculation. So 15 minus 21, 9 minus 28, we will verify later. Okay, for now just approach. This will be minus 6 and this will be, as you can see, it will be what, 19 minus 19. Okay, and from here what you can say, x y is equals to minus 6 by 11 and minus 19 by 11. Now let us verify that 4 times of x will be minus 6 by 11 minus 3 times of y is minus 19 by 11. Okay, let's solve it. This will be what I'm just directly evaluating. So it will be minus of 24 plus of, and this will be 57, I think. Sorry, it will be what? Yes, 57. Okay, 57. And this will be what? If you try to see, if you add 24 and 37, you will get 57. So this means numerator will be 33. Now dividing you will get just 3. So you are getting 3. Okay, good. So far so good. Now 3 times of x minus 5 times of y. Okay, let's check you are getting 7 or not. Okay, so 11 minus 18 plus 5 times of this will give you what? 55. And now 55. Okay, what I think, yes. Okay, so this will be what? As you can see, so 5, I think I am calculating correct or not. 19 and times 5, as you can see, 45. Okay, 5 and 4, 9. Okay, sorry, 95. It will be 95. So 95. Okay, 95. Now it will be what? It will be 77 by 11. As you can see, what? The 18 plus 77 will give you 7451, 789, 95. Yes, so this means 7. You are getting 7. So your correct answer will be x is equals to minus 6 by 11 and y is equals to minus 19 by 11. Okay, simple. Okay, now what? Now the 10th problem, let me solve it for you using the matrix method. So quite simple. So you all know that what we want, x is equals to a inverse b. A inverse is b, yet we have to find it. A inverse b we already know, 3 5, the right hand side column matrix. Now in order to find a inverse, I need determinant of a, I need adjoint of a. Adjoint of a, determinant of a, quite simply we can find how. So determinant of A, so first of all, what is A? A will be coefficient matrix of 5 2 3 2. Then determinant will be, so A matrix is this, determinant of this will be this. So these are 2. Okay, now 10 minus 6 means 4. So determinant will be 4. Now adjoint of A is quite simple, very easy in 2 cross 2 matrix. Just interchange these positions. So 2 here, 5 here. Now put minus sign to the remaining entries. You will have your adjoint. So adjoint will be this. Now 2 minus 2 minus 3, 5. Okay, simple so far. Now I'm writing A inverse in this form. So 2 minus 2 minus 3 and 5, like this. Now solving for this, you will have what? So 6 minus 10 and minus 9 plus 25. This will be minus 4. Minus 4. This will be what? Minus 4, and this will be what? 16, I think. 60. And from this, what can you say? X, y will equals to minus 1 and 4. So x is 1 and y is 4. Let us verify them. 5 times of x plus 2 times of y. Okay, so this will be minus 5 plus 8, and this will give you 3. So you are getting 3. Okay, so far so good. Now 3 times of x plus 2 times of y. Okay, so minus 3 plus 8, this will be what? Now it will be 5. So you are getting 5. So indeed you are getting your correct answer, where x value is 1 and y value, sorry, x value is minus 1 and y value is 4. Okay, I hope that you got these all answer correctly. Okay, so that's it for now. Let me once again recall you what we have done so far, and this will be then end of this session. Okay, the remaining problem will be dealt with in the next upcoming sessions. So inconsistent, so whenever determinant of A is non-zero, whenever determinant of A is non-zero means consistent and unique solution. Okay, and determinant of A is 0, then we have two paths. One is adjoint of A multiply with B is 0, and adjoint of A multiply B is non-zero. If non-zero, then inconsistent. Inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. In this, we again have two part depends on. So might 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 be consistent, might be consistent, and might be inconsistent. Inconsistent depends on the system we are given. Okay, so far so good. And in order to find the solution of a given system, if solution exists, if it is consistent, then you will follow what step? That always put x is equals to A inverse B. Okay, this, then you find A inverse using A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A multiply with adjoint of A. Okay, and B you have already, then you just have to multiply this, you will get your x values. X means this column, x is just nothing but the column matrix of the variables. In 2 cross 2 it will be xy, in 3 cross 3 it will be xyz. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you all. We will be back soon with the remaining problem of this exercise 4.5. So again, thank you.